Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you my DIY moringa oil. This moringa oil is the most potent oil that you can ever use for your hair. Moringa is a superfood for hair growth. It has a whole lot of benefit to your hair. Moringa strengthens your hair follicle. It promotes hair growth. Moringa enhances collagen production. Okay, it has so many sources of iron and zinc. Moringa contains antioxidant property. Moringa fights dandruff. It also soothes the scalp. It fights irritation and it prevents hair loss. If that sounds like something you would like, watch this video to the end, like, subscribe and share. For this video, I'll be using the fresh moringa leaves, and you can use the powder if that is what you have. But for this video, I'll be making use of the fresh one. So I blended it. The reason I had to blend it is because it makes it easier to infuse into the oil. Then after I transferred it into my jar, I went in with my olive oil, but then you can use any other oil available to you. Grapeseed oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, any other oil that is available to you, please make use of it. But for this video, I'll be making use of olive oil. I'm a big advocate of moringa, guys, because this plant is wonderful. Most people have it in their home, but they don't know the benefits of this plant. That is why I make you this video today. Moringa has a lot of vitamin in it, such as vitamin B complex. Moringa has vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6 and B7. It contains folic acid. This thing fights dandruff. Okay, it circulates blood into your scalp for your hair to be able to grow. Sis, don't sleep on this moringa. Don't sleep on it. If you snooze, you will lose. So this oil is very easy to make, as you can see. If you can get your hands on the powder, or if you can do the powder yourself just by drying up the leaf and blending it, you do it yourself and then you have the powder. But if you can't, just get your hands on the powder. Put it into your jar and go in with any oil of your choice. Allow it to sit for 2 days before you strain it. Or if you're in a hurry, do a double boiler method. It's that easy. It's that easy, okay? And this thing will help your hair grow fast, thicker and longer. If you want your oil to be concentrated, you might want to use a lot more of the moringa. But if you just like it watery, use less and more of the oil. So this is what we got after we have poured in our oil. I'm going to leave this thing to sit for a day. Then I can come back and strain it. So I'm going to keep it somewhere for it to sit for a day. I am not going to do a double boiler method. I'm just going to leave it to gradually infuse. So this is what it looks like the following day. I've shaked it up. That is why you can see like this. I've shaked it up, so now I'm about to strain it. I'll be using a cheesecloth to strain my moringa oil. As you can see, this oil is now dark. It's now dark green. Okay, when you make yours, make sure it is dark green. If not, it is not properly infused. If you don't have the kind of cloth I'm using to sieve right now, you can use a hanky to avoid the particles getting into your oil. You do not want anything that will clog your scalp, okay? This oil is the bombshell. The darker it is, the more potent it is. So if you want yours to be darker, do well to infuse it for 2 or 3 days so it will be darker, all right? Or use more of your moringa powder. Though I use this leaf for this video, but the next time I'm going to do this on my video, I am going to make use of the powder so you can see the difference, all right? There's not much difference, it's just that the powder is more concentrated than the leaf, okay? So I'm squeezing out my oil from the cloth because I do not want to waste anything. This oil is going to go into my hair and I'm going to reap the benefit. So you all do well to practice this at home, because the reason why you watch this video is to find out how to make yours, okay? So do well to make yours at home. This is the chaff. After squeezing it, this is the chaff, okay? This is what you are throwing away. If you have watched till this point, I would really love your feedback, okay? Tell me if you like this kind of DIY videos so I will make more for you guys. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? Let's grow, all right? I will bring more content to you guys, and I really appreciate you for staying back to watch my video. May God Almighty bless you, and you keep coming back to my channel to come and watch my video. So this is our product. This is what we are going to be using for our hair growth. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.